Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about top 3 AI website builder, top 5 AI generated website in a few clicks. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now for today's video, we will be discussing about 5 different websites. We have Durable, Mixo, Wix, Zyro, and web over here, and we will be discussing each and every one and showing you its capabilities. So over here right now, let's start with Durable. We have the description over here on their main website. We have the ability to build a website in just 30 seconds with AI. So let's check this website out first. Let's go and go over here. This is what I am seeing right now because I currently log in. I can simply create a new business over here. Let's say Fiji for now, and select our industry, let's say accounting or landscaping, and click on create business. And let's say for our location, let's randomly select a location just like that. Click on create, and we will be able to create our business. We will need to have this, and there we go. It's going to generate us an image or a website right away based on the information that we have just entered. We entered an information that we are a landscaping business, and then we also entered our location. So it's going to take those information that it has gathered from us, and it's going to create as a website. As you can see right now, it's generating different components of our websites, and we're going to explore each and every part of the website and see how amazing it was able to build us a website in just less than 30 seconds. I think that's less than 30 seconds, and it was based on the information that we have given us. And as you can see, our first part over here, we have our header and our section over here. We could regenerate this if we want. If you're not satisfied with the section that has been generated, you could regenerate it and change it however you want. You could also edit it if you would like, change the headings, subtext, button, link, add all of those stuff. You could also change the background. As you can see here, you can change it to an image, and it's going to generate you an image for you as well. If you have your own image, you could actually replace it by clicking on replace, or you could delete it. You could change the different options. As you can see here, you can simply explore it. Clicking on regenerate would allow the AI to look for a different image for your design, and once you like the image that's been given to you, you can simply click on save, and there we go. And you have your different sections over here as well. You have this image section over here. You can regenerate it if you want. There we go. And you also have your about us section over here, your services section over here, and a quote over here, gallery, and your location over here, and your footer in this section. You can add as many parts as you want. You could add more section over here. You could add a section. There we go. And you could either choose from banner, text plus image, quote, testimonial, gallery, video, list, and all of this different blocks over here that you could choose from. You could also add some apps if you would like Instagram or Calendly. It's also embed, contact forms, and other options over here. And that's how you will be able to generate a website with Durable. Very quick, very easy, and I don't think it's going to be very confusing, especially for a beginner. You could also choose your device over here. You could change the way you view your website. Change it to portrait or a mobile phone, and this is how it's going to look like. And you could save this or click on view website over here, and as you can see, this is a temporary link. You click on go to website. Although most of this website or all of this website that we're going to check out right now is absolutely for free, you will be able to generate and create your website absolutely for free, but there will be some plans in implementing this website or using this actual website. And as you can see, this is a test run or a preview of our website generated by Durable. Now let's move on and check out our second one. We have Mixo over here. Click on new site and simply describe your startup idea. So for me, let's continue with the topic that we started with Durable, which is a landscaping business in Japan, let's say. And then mainly focus on bonsai and click on generate site. If you don't have an idea, there's the option to check out different examples so you can see it. And there we go. As you can see, it's generating our website right now. Let's simply give it some time so that you can see the output generated by Mixo, and maybe compare it with Durable. And there we go. We have our Mixo website generated absolutely very fast right away. There we go. We have our heading, our description over here, like you have your pictures, information over here, customized designs, you have your different bonsai pictures over here, you have your quotes over here, like our review, and you have more stuff over here, like you enter your email. It added or created a very simple website for us, absolutely fast, even faster than Durable, but I think Durable was able to create better websites with more details and information, which is really good. But Mixo is also good, and you will be able to save and customize this. You could also refresh your image selection if you don't like the image being provided right now or being used. And you could also see here, like it will help you launch your website today. You could see all the things that you will be able to access or all the things you will be able to use once you upgrade your plan with Mixo, as you see here. You don't need to upgrade your plan, but if you want to use the website generated for you, you're going to have to upgrade it. But you will be able to generate different websites absolutely for free. Now, moving on. We also have Wix over here. Surprisingly, I know a lot of people know how to use Wix because Wix is a very famous website builder. And you could build a website in Wix manually and you will be able to produce amazing results. But it also has the option to build AI generated website absolutely for free. As you can see here, you could get custom built website and Wix will create a website for you in minutes. Or you could do the manual version where you begin with a template. So let's check out get a custom built site over here and let's see what will happen when we ask Wix to generate us our website instead of us building it from scratch or manually. And let's simply give it some time to load and let's see. There we go. We have our logo over here. We can simply add our logo. We can add our business name, email, address, phone, and social account. Let's skip this for now, but you would need to enter in this information so that Wix has all the information it needs to be able to create an amazing website for you. Now it's going to allow you to pick a theme. We have Clay, Minimal, Retro, Spark, Fresh, and Evolution over here. It's going to have like a description for each type of theme. Like for Minimal, we have Balance and Simplicity. For Clay, we have Warmth and Earthy, Molded by Imagination. For Retro, we have Vintage. Spark, we have Sharp and Inspired with a flicker of excitement. For the Fresh, we have like grass color on a summer day. And for the Evolution, we have Progressive and Contemporary touch. For now, I'll go with a minimalist style. Click on Next and let's see. Now it's preparing us our homepage design. They're creating a personalized option for us. So let's see what type of option Wix will be able to provide for us. And there we go. We have a total of 3 options. We have this option over here, which is filled with photos, very minimalistic. It's using the photos as its main design, as you can see here. We also have this design over here. We also have this design over here, which is focused on like a minimalist with a white background. And this one is a mixture of both, but with a darker background. So I think I'm going to select this one and simply click on Next. You're simply going to select the site that you like the most. And of course, click on Next after selecting the site that you like. And there we go. Now you have the option to add pages that are tailored for us, as you can see here. You will be able to customize them later on. You have your About section, Services, Inventory, Facts, and Contacts over here and different sections. If you would like to add them, it is completely up to you. And after that, for example, I would like to select Inventory. I could now click on Edit Site, and after that, we will be able to edit the website ourselves as well. And there we go. This is a design or a website produced to us by Wix. It's AI. And now we are given the ability to edit the website itself as well. And this is absolutely for free. We will be able to edit this for free. Although when we publish this, we will need to connect our domain, or we will be under the domain of Wix.com. Now, after that, we're also going to check out Zyro. Now, Zyro is not completely a website. It is going to allow us to build AI websites, but it is a website that is filled with different types of AI tools. Basically, it's an all-in-one where you can build things manually and you can also use different tools, like a lot of different tools that you could use to build your website. It has the ability to generate image, it has the ability to generate content, and all of those different tools. And as you can see here, and it is very easy to use. As you can see, you can add elements over here, you can add pages and navigations, web styles, blogs, and all of those stuff. And you have a lot of different options over here. And as you can see, these are the different options: AI tools, you have your logo maker, AI writer, and AI kit map over here, which are very useful. It is going to be more manual than the others, but you have more options or more freedom to edit your different things, which is really great. And you could use these different options over here. Now for our last platform, which is 10web.io, you're going to have to inquire for a plan to be able to fully make use of the different features, but I have used this myself. It has amazing potential, like durable. It was able to produce amazing results, but I don't think I will be able to show it for you right now because it's asking us to upgrade or inquire for a plan before we can access it. So I can't show you how we will be able to produce it, but I guarantee you when you test it out on your own, you will be able to produce outputs like what we saw with durable over here. And that's it for now, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.